wrong with her?
Nothing. Come on.
Why was she screaming?
Because she was afraid of the tape measure. Come on, put it to where you want it, Alec. I need your help.
Right here.
You don't want it too high. You're not going to be able to reach your jackets.
Yeah.
There, now stand down on the ground. Go get a jacket. Go get a jacket. I want to see you hang up a jacket. Do a practice. Okay? Hang a jacket up. What about the high ones? That's too high. I'm going to bring it down. Right?
Yeah.
Is that good right here?
Yeah.
All right, take that jacket off. All right, come on. All right, take this pencil. Oh, all right, push it. Hold this first. Hold this tight. Let me go get the level. Hold it. Right here where my hand is. Hold it. Don't move. Oh, you got the level right here. This is a level. You want this little ball. See the bubble? You want the bubble to be between those two lines right there. Okay? Where's the bubble? Way over there, right? So what has to come up? This side has to come up. So pick that side up. All right? Now, hold it. Don't push. Don't let go. We got to start all over again. Now, where's the bubble at? Look for the bubble.
In the middle.
No, it's not in the middle. Look at the bubble.
On the side.
Don't let go. Push. So this has to come down, right there. Don't move. Take this pencil and mark a little hole right between that little metal thing and this metal thing. Here, I'll do it. You hold it. Here and right here, okay? That's where you got to drill.
Okay.
So let me go get the drill bit.
Dad, how do you know how to do all these things?
Because I listen and learn. Here. That's what I'm trying to teach you. Then you'll know how to hang pictures. All right?
Yeah, but those are not.
These are wall anchors. Come here, let me show you a picture. Come here. Look. Come here.
What's a wall anchor?
Anchors. See this right here? This is the wall. Look. There's the wall. This plug goes in the wall like this. And then when you put the screw in, it opens up. See the wings? These open up like wings. See the little crack?
Oh, look
It goes in the wall and it goes. And then you can't get it out. Come on. Get your chair. Get your chair. Put your chair over there. Yeah, you're gonna do it. Hold it. Put it on the dot. Listen. Hold it. Put it on the dot, and then keep it straight. Not like this. Not like this. Keep the drill straight and push. Push. You gotta be pushing.
It's heavy.
Hold it straight. Up, 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 up. Push. Keep it straight. Keep pushing. Pull the trigger. Now pull it out straight. Pull it out straight. Pull the trigger. Clean the hole out. Push it. And clean the hole out. Straight. Keep it straight. Now move your chair over and do the other one.
Okay, can you hold this?
Move the chair over.
Heavy. Right there.
And you do this one all by yourself. You got to keep it straight. That's all you got to remember. Put this up straight. Pick it up. Pick it up. Up, up, up. Pick it up. Right there. That's straight. Now clean it out. No, clean it straight. Clean it straight. You're crooked. You're gonna make the hole crooked. Pull the trigger. And there you go. Now you gotta put your plastic anchors in. Okay?
Oh, I know. Plastic anchor.
Where's the other one?
These are the plastic.
No, this one. Those are different ones. So push them in the hole. Push one in the hole.
Put one in them.
Push it in as much as you can to it. Just push. Now hit it with the back of this, like a hammer. That's it. Now put the other one in. You're just using the drill like a hammer because you don't have a hammer right now. Hit it straight. That's it. Now you're ready to hang it up. Now we got to get some screws. All right, 2 screws. Here. Come here. Come here. Alec. Hey. Alec.
Why am I afraid of
Are you
that?
going to drill this in or not?
Yes.
Let me grab it. Put the screw in the hole here, and you want to get it started with your fingers first. Watch Daddy. Just going to turn it righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right?
Yeah.
Go to the right to tight. Now, move your chair over. You got to get straight.
Probably.
There. Now, you got to keep it straight, and you got to be pushing. Pick your drill up. Pick it up. It's not straight. Now drill. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. You don't have to go so fast. Now you get that started. Now get the other one started. Start the other one. Put it in the hole right here. No. Gotta find the little thing. Gotta find where you're right there. You get it?
Ready?
Turn it just a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, now let me start it. Watch Daddy. Put it in, pick it up, and go slow at first. And I'm pushing like as hard as I can to the ladies' room. Keep pushing, okay? If you don't push, you're gonna mess it up. Here. Ready? Just do this one first. Pick it up. Now, screw. Push. Go, go, go. Keep going. Push it hard now. That is tight right there.
No.
Now you gotta get a little tighter. Here, let me see. That's good. Now do the other one. Move your chair over.
Okay.
Now move the chair over. Don't try to do it. You gotta be straight with it. Hold on. Straight. Pick it up. Push, 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 push. Keep going, keep going. It's tightening. Keep going. Done. Now drive that one home. When I say drive it home, I mean drill it in. Push. Keep pushing. It'll go in. It's going in. Go, go, go. Push. Push, 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 push. Good. Done. Now look how strong that is. That thing is strong. Now hang some jackets up. Go get a couple jackets. Right here. Take them off this one and put them on that one. Make sure it works. There you go. So does it work? Maybe you can do one for your book bag and heavy jackets and one for your jackets you wear every day.